Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial video. On this video we're at our app creator tool and we're going to see a general overview of the tool. So this is the dashboard of the tool. Once you click on it, this is going to be the first page that you will see. Over here on the left you're going to see your applications. You can create a new application right over here. You can also filter your apps right through here. On the right hand side you can see your total visits, your total installs. You have a graph of your visits over here. You have also your installs with the iOS and Android option. You have your top installs and your top visits. All the way up we have the dashboard area. We also have the push notifications, the white label where you can see your settings and activity, and my account where you can see your subscriptions, your profile, and also log out. Next up we're going to go over here and click on the pencil icon right over here so we can edit our app. And once everything loads out, you're going to see over here on the right hand side where we have our editor, users, promote, analytics, settings, and modules. We're going to go one by one on these. I'm just doing a little rundown for you guys. So first on the design, you can see over here you can edit the design of your app. You can edit the layout, change your template, change the background, do everything. Next up you can edit the colors. And on the color section we have literally everything that your app will need color wise. Every single color that you need, every single space that needs color will be covered over here. All the buttons, all the badges, everything, check boxes, radios, toggle, everything, you can put a color into it. We're just going to go to features. And features where you can edit the pages of your app. So right over here you can select the little menu down below. You can select any type of icon that you want or any type of page. Once you've done everything, just remember to save it and go to the next one. Over here in applications where you can select the dashboard or like the back icon for your app. You can also select the icon that is going to show up on the home screen of your cell phone. We're going to go to publication to be the last one. And over here is the last step. Once you're ready, you can publish your app. You can see the ID, the package name, the application name, everything. If you want to monetize it, you would do it right here. But this is going to be it for the editor of the app. Next up, we're going to have the users. And over here is where you can see all the users with its ID, the email, the username, when it was registered, and its actions. You can also create a new user right over here. Next up on the promote area, you can see your store's URL for either iOS or Android, and you can also get the QR code to promote your app. Going over to analytics, we have app analytics and feature analytics. I'm just going to show the app analytics because we have a demo on it, and it will show more of how it would look like if you had an actual app. You would have the total visits, the total installs right here, the installs again, the user localization, time spent, and basically every analytic that you would need to see for your app. So next up, we're going to go to settings. This is where you can have your terms of condition, your API keys, you can see your domain, you can send messages to your clients, and you can also have advanced configurations. It's pretty simple. We're going to just go over real quick terms and conditions. For example, you can add your privacy policy. You could put a discount if you want or a loyalty card and that type of stuff right over here on the terms and conditions. And next up to APIs. Here's where you can see all of your API keys if you'd have some. We're going to go over to domain. And right here is where show your domain name. You can put it and click save if you want, or if you change it, just remember to click save if you did anything to it. Over on messages, this is where you can send a message to your clients. You can just write it down over here. Click on send and it would send it out. And lastly, we have advanced configurations, where you have your advanced application options, your iOS and S descriptions, and also how your orientation settings would look like. If you want something to not show up upside down, you can select over here. And lastly, what we're going to be talking about in this video is going to be the modules. Here is where we have training videos. We have a bunch of training videos if you would like. We also have loyalty analytics. You can import and export users. We have campaign analytics. We have the mega messages, and that is a little bit differently of the messages that we have. We also have the website builder. I'm just going to click on it so you guys can see it. And this is our another editor where you can edit for desktop, for tablet, and for mobile as well. You can put blogs, you can put sections, add text, add images. This is basically another editor for your website or for your app. We also have underneath the website builder, we have user groups. We have the app icon maker. I'm just going to click on it so I can show you guys. This one's really interesting. And over here is where you would make a icon for your app. We have a bunch of different icons you can choose from. You can upload it from your computer. You can put text. You can trim the white space. You can choose not to trim the white space. You can add the padding if you would like. You need all of that. This is just a very cool tool that we have inside our app creator. Down below, we also have the mega tags. We have the appointment calendar, the multi-language tutorial if you need that, and also the device preview. And just like that, it will show you a little preview of your app that you already have. So this was a general overview of our app creator tool. This is going to be it for the video. Thank you for watching and have a great day.